Here's a trick that will cut 6 hours of family chaos out of your week using my 8-minute system. Meet Livy. She's juggling 2 kids, a demanding job, and an ex-husband who uses Android while she's on iPhone. Sound familiar? For years, she lived in constant fear of missing her kids' events. Paper calendars got outdated, shared Google Calendars didn't sync with Apple devices, group texts became overwhelming chaos. But here's what changed everything. She discovered that the most organized families don't rely on memory. They rely on systems that work automatically. So she tried the 8-minute family calendar system. Here's how it works. Instead of trying to remember everything, she uses cross-platform voice automation that sends backup alerts to catch what busy eyes miss. When her daughter has soccer practice, the system reminds her 30 minutes before, then again at departure time, with voice alerts that work even when her phone is on silent. But here's the craziest part. It works across all devices. iPhone, Android, school iPads, everything syncs automatically. No more, "I thought you were picking up our daughter today" texts from her ex. The results? 0 missed events in 6 months. Peaceful custody handoffs. Her kids now see her as the reliable parent who always shows up. And the setup? Just one afternoon. Now she spends Sunday evenings feeling calm instead of anxious about the week ahead. Her co-parent actually respects her organization skills, and she finally has mental space for her own life. The question isn't whether you need a better memory, it's whether you're ready for a system that remembers for you. Because there are 2 types of parents, those who rely on their overwhelmed brain and those who let technology handle the logistics while they focus on what matters. Which one will you choose? Because for a limited time, the 8-minute family calendar system is yours for free. The only thing I ask is for a review. But first, 1. Click subscribe below, so you will be informed of my next topic and video posting. 2. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. 3rd, working moms. If there is a topic and/or a problem you are having, leave me details in the comments below, and I'd be happy to possibly tackle it for you. All my topics are science-backed and research-proven. 4. Check out the other topics in this 12-week series. 4 have already been released and the links are below.